We got a great video for you today on how to have fun cruising. That's right, a balcony room tour and review from the Norwegian Getaway. You're gonna love this video. And if you haven't, definitely subscribe, hit that like button, check out our Facebook and Instagram and our website, howtohavefuncruising.com, and all 6 of our How to Have Fun outdoor channels. And you'll see cruising videos here and also on our sister channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors. But this one is all about the Norwegian Getaway. If you're excited about your cruise, you're going to want to watch this. Over 145,000 ton ship, and it's got pool, it's got darts, it's got bowling alleys, it's got ice bar, it's got the Bliss, and it holds almost 4,000 passengers. You're gonna have a great time, and you're gonna want to watch this review of the balcony because we highly recommend the balcony, guys. It's a great room and a great cruise ship, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. So I hope you're ready for your vacation, and that's what our channel's all about. You, not us. We go around giving you all kinds of great tips and tip videos, all kinds of shore excursion ideas and cruise destination ideas. If you haven't, definitely check out our 20 epic tips on the Norwegian Getaway, and also some of our recent videos, 20 cruise vacation ideas, and how about top 10 islands for your next cruise. But this one is all about the Getaway and the balcony room. We absolutely loved it. What we're gonna do is start off with one big tip before we do the room review, and you're gonna love this video, guys, for sure. No question about it. And definitely watch our top 20 tips video. You're gonna wanna watch that, and you can hit that at the end of this video.
Tip number 1, we start already, guys. So if you want to board the ship early, please keep in mind that most likely your room are not ready because they get ready at 2:30. So the best way to enjoy your time, go to the buffet and start having a good lunch.
All right, let's do it.
Yep.
So great. Wow, 8130, Alice, are you ready?
Yes, welcome to our balcony room here on the Norwegian Getaway. And I have to tell you, this is a really spacious room. We are really positively surprised.
All right, so for everyone back home that doesn't know, Alice's Italian, so she's into furnishing and design. Everybody that grows up in that Milan area, like Alice up by Lake Como, they're all about how things look, feel, touch, all that good stuff. So we're gonna do another, that's right, cruise ship review of the room for you. We've done lots of them on all the different cruise lines. If you haven't subscribed, hit that like button and follow us on How to Have Fun Cruising. Also, our big sister channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors. That now is broken 10 million and almost 200,000 subscribers just on that channel. So let's go ahead and get started. And let's start with the bathroom, or should we wait on the bathroom? The bathroom, in my opinion, is the most impressive. We've been impressed. We've been doing the walkthrough video for the Getaway, and this is a nicer ship than I thought. No question about it.
It's a big ship.
It's a big ship, and it has got a lot. That Haven Suite area, we got to go in there. Thank you, Norwegian, for letting us film that. That was fantastic, and I got to tell you, that felt like you were on a 5-star luxury liner.
Yeah.
Beautiful. But this ship's got the slides, it's got the area for the kids, it's got a lot of decks. But the rooms are, I would say, pretty normal with the exception of the bathroom. So for you guys at home, you're gonna have to wait till the end because we're gonna show you a bathroom that we haven't seen on a typical balcony room. But we'll start here. This is your makeup. Do not disturb.
I love that because honestly, you just want to get your service before you leave. You just say, make up my room, thank you. And you just leave for your dinner.
All your heat control here, AC, pretty cool. Obviously, your emergency instructions. We're going to show the bathroom in the end. You got to put your card in to power up the room. Yep. You've got your coat hangers, and take it away, Alice.
Yes, one thing, you have a very nice full-size person mirror that is always welcome when you are on a cruise ship. And then over here, a very spacious desk with another big size mirror for your makeup or anything you need when you don't have the bathroom. A lot of connectivity, so you have 2 plugs here, over 2 here with the main switch, the phone. And what I really appreciate is a lot of shelving in this room. So you have this big shelf here, and then down here there is a storage. One is the refrigerator, a nice seating area.
Yeah, look at the blow dryers built in.
Yeah.
And this pulls out, which is really nice.
Yeah.
But what's cool?
And the opens.
Whoa, look at this little,
Opens up.
very,
Yeah. I saw
boom. Look at that, folks.
Very nice. Additional storage for something you don't want it to see every day. Very good.
Trash can in the corner, but again, nice connectivity.
Yeah, over here, additional storage. Very, very spacious storage. Did you see it around here?
Yeah.
And all of this.
So the only ding I've got so far in this whole cruise ship is the TVs are kind of small for 2025-ish.
Yeah, it's true.
So you got to upskip, but it's kind of part of this design that it was built in
Yeah.
with the woodwork.
On the other side, the sofa is pretty much another bed. I mean, look at how spacious it is. And honestly, very comfy. I like it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Woohoo!
All right.
Over here, the main cabinet. A lot of shelving on this area with your safe. And then on this side, you have all the hanging that you need for your clothes.
And they give
nice
you some
robes
Yeah,
for
pull
the
those
spa.
out. Show everybody those robes.
Yeah,
Got some robes in a
ready for the spa.
Look at that in a standard balcony room. Pretty cool.
Very, very nice. All right, let's move on to the bedding area. This is the main bed, big dimension size bed. And let me try it. Like always, oh, my testing. Oh, I love this testing. So comfy.
Yeah, you better get up, otherwise you're gonna fall asleep. We
Oh,
were up
yeah.
late last night getting in here. But look at another rack in the back, pretty cool for all your books and stuff.
Yeah, and
But look at your lights. We got some 2025 action here.
Yeah, very modern light with both USB and USB-C connectivity on both sides. And you have a shelf area on your cabinet on the side of each side of the bed.
Very cool.
Over here,
Nice artwork.
artwork, but what I love the most is the great view on the outside for the balcony. Here you open it.
Wow, and that's no small balcony.
No.
That is double the size of most of the
Yeah,
balconies.
as you can see on the top here, we have a smaller size balcony, but this one is actually a bigger size, and I enjoy that a lot.
You like the big balconies.
I like the big balcony.
You like everything big.
Yes, I do.
Right. Look at that.
Over here.
Beautiful. On the river, guys. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow, what a gorgeous day. And there you can see where you... Hey!
Hello, Eddie. Enjoy your vacation.
So these are
Yes.
bigger, then it goes here, then it goes to normal size. Pretty cool. Wow. Very cool.
So
right,
now
swing
it's
back in.
time for this special area. Eddie.
Yeah, let's check out this bathroom, guys. I know we held you to the end of the video. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It would mean so much to us. Check out our sister channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors. But you definitely, if you love cruising, you're going to want to definitely hit the subscribe button on How to Have Fun Cruising YouTube channel. We got Facebook, Instagram, and website. Got to check it all out. All right, so what's the big deal? Take a look at this
that
size
dimension.
bathroom.
Yep.
And this isn't a standard balcony. I don't think there's any, you know, fancy thing about this room. I think it's just a standard balcony. But let's start with this. I mean, this
Look at this.
is
I
really
love
nice.
the double sink, but one big sink with the two faucets. It's actually a very cool design. And you have a lot of shelving area. This backsplash is very like a disco bar, I
Yeah.
would say. And then over here, additional for his and hers storage and a little drawer.
tissues here.
But the part that it would
Trash
be
here.
really cool is for sure
Yeah.
the dimension of this shower.
Another huge dimension.
It is like another, like, this is double size shower. You can actually run the marathon, like, look. Boom, boom.
I mean, usually we have the shower test
here, like,
where
right?
Alice spins around.
But here I can jump back
Yeah.
and forth.
I mean, and nice fixtures,
Yeah.
right? Take a look. I mean,
know.
this is pretty cool with all of the different water. Look at nice, really nice setup. Revive, nourish.
Yeah, and they
Nice
have
shower
also
head.
the hanging for
And they got
your,
the hanging.
like, for example, swimsuit.
But that,
and
if
you
you haven't been cruising, this is not normal. This is double
No.
the size. And if you are a cruiser, you got to admit, I mean, the Norwegian Getaway, this is like double the normal size that we typically see on a cruise ship. And it's a full glass slider. I mean, this is really nice.
Really nice. Yeah, I guess that in the next week I will do big showers.
Wow. And that double sink thing, that is cool.
Very cool.
And look at the size of that mirror. I mean, that may be the biggest mirror we've seen on a cruise ship. So
I agree 100%.
all right, Alice. So we've never done it before, but let's finish up this room video
In the
bathroom because it's so cool. We give it a 10 out of 10 in the bathroom. All right, for everyone back home watching, what do you got to say?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but in particular you enjoy this room. This is absolutely fantastic. Let us know in the comment down below, have you ever seen a bathroom or at least a room like this in a cruise ship? If so, I would like to know.
Well, I mean, you can upgrade and get this kind of room. This is just a standard balcony.
Yeah,
This is a standard balcony to
that
have
is
a
what I
bathroom this
meant,
big.
everyone.
Yeah.
So let us know because we would like to see it also. And don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and thank you so much for watching.
Have fun cruising!